I like to mention a very important point, not related to our ayat today. One of the brothers yesterday after Jum'ah prayer asked me, Sheikh, I married, and the lady, he was in doubt, yani. He's in Kuwait and the lady in another country. So he told me the story. Okay, I told the brother, I advised him not to continue this marriage with that lady. This is before 1 month. And also last week he said, I like to continue, but there is an issue. So today he called me and he discovered something yani bad. So khalas, he decided not to live with this lady as a wife. He told me that he married. So I was discussing him. Then I told him, where did you do the marriage? He said, here in Kuwait. I said, where? In the court? He said, no, yani I did zawaj urfi, yani illegal marriage. Okay. I brought 2 witnesses and my friend. Habibi, what did you do? He said, 2 my friends as witnesses and the third one as a wali for the lady, and we finished. I said, no, this is not valid marriage. The marriage should be from wali. Wali means the guardian, like for example the father. If the father is not there, the son, or yani if it is a second marriage, maybe some women have sons, adults. Okay, he said, but this is a revert. If she is a revert, what is the process? I told him, what is the process? In Europe, for example, UK, Germany, what is the process of marriage? They go to the Islamic center. Or if there is a court, Islamic court in that country, the judge should do the marriage. Yani, I told him, wallahi, I was very tough with him. Okay, why? Because, subhanAllah, this is a big mess, yani, wallahi. There is a new Muslimah, a female Muslimah, and I told this, okay, yalla, let's do marriage. Come to my house or come to that restaurant. And I tell this lady, wallahi, this is your wali, and these are the 2 witnesses. And yalla, take, this is mahar, 500 KD. I told him, what is the difference between this and zina and adultery? Yes, you brought witnesses, but all of them your friends. All of them your friends. What is the concept of wali? What does it mean wali? Something to guard you, someone to guard you, to protect you. But in this case, you bring your friend, so of course you and your friend will not protect that lady. Okay, so I told this man, please, this is the 3rd marriage for him. I told him, please, now don't think about marriage anymore. Now you have to study the chapter of marriage and also the chapter of divorce. This is very important. So, brothers, sisters, marriage without wali, this is not valid, because the Prophet ﷺ said, "La nikaha illa biwali." There is no valid marriage without wali, without guardian. Okay, you say, "Wallahi, she's alone." Okay, if she's alone, go to the court. It is not a Muslim country, go to the Islamic center. But don't do this marriage only between you and the lady, or you bring 2 of your friends or 2 people from the street. No, this is not allowed. It's not allowed.